Hello my friends, and welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to the Recipe Therapist. Today I'm super excited because I'm celebrating my 1-year anniversary on YouTube, and I'm also sharing a very exciting announcement. When they're done, we're going to take them out and we're going to put some fresh garlic on them. And now I'm just going to spread it. Open up the bag like this. This looks good. Oh my, oh. Every time you hear a bell, an angel gets his wings. No, I'm not kidding. I just want to show you what my secret ingredient is. It's such a secret that I forgot to mention it before. And I'm going to drizzle it.
For the little ones, we have sparkling cider.
I loved this as a kid, I swear.
So did I. I always felt like I was drinking with the parents.
I have a nice serrated knife here. I go right down the length of the sausage. It opens up really easily. And I just peel the skin off, just like this. And it comes off nice and easy. No, it doesn't.
Hey guys, nice to meet you.
We love cooking and connecting in the kitchen
We do
together.
a lot of cooking in the kitchen, right honey?
Yes, we do. So as you can see, we've had some pretty fun times filming this past year. And I wanted to make this short video to thank all of you who have been watching my videos over the past year and for subscribing to my channel. And now we're going to keep it real because I'm going to answer 3 of the most frequently asked questions that you guys have asked me over the past year. So this question is really simple. I never had any intentions of starting a YouTube channel, in all honesty. Even though I love to cook, and I've been cooking since I was a little girl. In fact, I would take a library book out when I was 8 years old from my elementary school library. I'm not even kidding, I still have the book. I have it right here, okay? This was my first cookbook that I took out, and I don't know why I never returned it, but you can see right here, it's from April 5th, 1976. I could probably get in trouble for this, but I don't know. I just didn't return it. Anyway, getting back to your question, I was invited out to dinner one night with my girlfriend. And we were having such a great time. And she asked me what I've been doing lately. And I said, you know, I've been doing a lot of cooking as usual. And I showed her some photographs of some food that I had recently just made. She said, Celine, we've got to do something with your cooking. And I said, I'm not opening up a restaurant, no way. And she said, no. She said, I want to do a YouTube cooking show, a cooking show on YouTube. And I thought, I can't do that. I can't be under the microscope in the kitchen. And she said, no, it's going to be great. And she's been so encouraging, and she's been by my side ever since. And that leads me into our next question. Well, you guessed it, guys. That would be my good friend Linnea. Linnea happens to be a behind-the-scenes kind of girl, but she did promise me that on our 1-year anniversary video, she would make a quick appearance. So let's go meet Linnea.
Hi!
Oh, this is my girlfriend Linnea. Say hi.
Hi everybody! Most talented cook ever!
Oh, thank you, my sweetness. I love her. And I also wanted to give my husband Barry a big heartfelt thank you because he does all the music for my video and all these long hours he puts in editing my videos. So this is my husband, and I just wanted to give Barry a big heartfelt thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All the work you do.
You're very welcome.
And the best part about my husband is he gets to taste all my recipes.
I'm the lucky guy who gets to eat all that food.
So I came up with the name The Recipe Therapist because the kitchen for me has always been a great source of creativity and very therapeutic. It's also a place where I've created so many wonderful recipes and collected a lot of recipes through the years. So the name really fit, and I liked it because it gives me an opportunity to share other creative and therapeutic outlets like my easy DIY projects that I love to do and some holiday entertaining. creators of the show, The Recipe Therapist, Linnea and I are so proud to announce that in less than 1 year, The Recipe Therapist just got picked up by Busted Bear Productions, and we're now streaming on 2 TV networks, the On Channel and Op Prime TV.
Make sure you check out season 1 of The Recipe Therapist on these streaming networks. There will be 8 episodes with new bonus clips and brand new delicious recipes.
We're gonna leave a link in the description box below for both these channels. And before we say goodbye, Linnea and I put together a small montage of some of our most favorite highlights of the past year. So check it out. Hey there, my friends. Welcome back to The Recipe Therapist and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my most favorite recipe. It's my apple raspberry pie. Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to The Recipe Therapist. Honestly, there's nothing better than a homemade apple pie baking off in the oven. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my apple berry pie.
Grab it. Come down here.
All right, so let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
OMG. Oh my gosh. Seriously? This we lost her. Just pulled the cookies out of the oven, right guys?
Yeah.
And we're ready to eat them. All right, come on, let's try them. They look really great.
Yeah.
Good?
Make sure to hit that like button if you like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit that
Post notifications bell.
yes. And we will see you next time.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. So whether you're new to my channel or you've been with me from the beginning, thank you so much for watching, and I am so excited for what the future holds for The Recipe Therapist. Take care and God bless.